Think you need thousands of dollars to start investing in stocks? Well, you don't. Today, I'm going to show you how to get started with investing in stocks, even if you only have a small amount of money. Investing in the stock market is one of the best ways to grow your money over time. Even with just a few dollars, you can own a piece of some of the biggest companies in the world. So why wait? Step 1 is simple but powerful. Set your investment goals. Are you investing for long term growth, retirement, or maybe just to save for a big purchase? Knowing why you're investing will help guide your decisions. Step 2 is to choose the right platform to start investing. There are now plenty of brokerage apps that let you start with as little as $1 like Robinhood, Webull, and many more. Look for platforms that have low or zero commissions to save money on every trade. One of the biggest myths is that you need to buy a full share of a stock. Not anymore. With fractional shares, you can invest in expensive stocks like Apple or Tesla, but only buy a small portion with just a few bucks. Step 4 is to automate your investments. Set up automatic deposits into your investment account every week or month. This makes it easy to invest consistently without having to think about it, and it helps you take advantage of the power of compound interest. To reduce risk, step 5 is to diversify your investments. A great way to do this with little money is by investing in ETFs. These are funds that bundle a bunch of different stocks into one, so you own small pieces of many companies instead of putting all your money in just one. Finally, remember that investing is a long term game. Stay consistent and be patient. Don't panic over daily price changes. Over time, even small investments can grow into something significant. Now you know how to start investing in stocks with little money. It's easier than ever before. So, what are you waiting for? Start small, start today, and let your money work for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. Let's grow our wealth together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.